Freedom means you are certain that your privacy is guaranteed. Not only in a marketing-like way, where you cannot verify what actually happens, but by looking at the code and disabling the GSM connection and turning off Wi-Fi. This is Cloak Mode. Get a warning message. Cloak Mode disables autopilot, GPS, Wi-Fi and 3-4G. It makes you invisible for tracking by the vehicle and mobile phone calls. Mapping, music streaming stops working, as it could be abused and the pin to drive to enable LTE disabled. Cloak Mode disables the USB 3G connection to the internet. When we turn Cloak Mode off again, if we turn Cloak Mode off again, it will take a little bit of seconds and then we see that LTE gets enabled again. So the message is that it gets enabled. It takes 5 seconds for the interface to recognize that the USB device is back online, and then we get back our data connection to the internet. Cloak Mode, ensuring your freedom. FreedomEV gives you easy access to developer and factory mode, which can be enabled at the touch of a button. Developer and factory mode will restart the Qt application running on our display. When we look at the top of our display, we see that a blue developer text is added to our T of Tesla. This is Tesla provided functionality. If we now touch this button, then we will get to see the developer mode. Inside developer mode, we get a nice overview of the different packs in our car. As the car is currently plugged in, we see what the car battery management system is actually doing. Developer mode also shows us when the car was first built, so February 1st, 2017 in this case. There is a special thermal mode inside developer mode which gives us an overview of all the important temperature metrics in the system. You can go out of developer mode again by touching the exit button. It will reboot our system again. When Elon Musk announced 2 years ago that HotSpot Mode was coming to Tesla cars through a simple software upgrade, everybody was thrilled. With HotSpot Mode, you can just add this antenna to a car and turn it into an in-car Wi-Fi vehicle. Just insert the USB Wi-Fi adapter and ready to go. The FreedomEV app keeps track of data usage, so Tesla can properly bill usage of their network if they want to do so. Some things you can enable with FreedomEV don't make a lot of sense. Moonshine mode changes the color of your display behind the steering wheel in a psychedelic way. If one day you decide you should want to live without FreedomEV, a complete removal is as simple as running the removal script.